This week, I've got 3 freebies for you. I've pulled 3 different clips from the Investigator's Ultimate Guide to Surveillance, my full video course, here for free. Just boom, 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 1, 2, 3, no fluff, just all meat. And also at the end of those, I have a 4th tip for you, a suggestion for you, a thing you should know about, not at all related to our industry, but I think is very valuable. So I'll share that with you at the end. Something to consider when you're doing foot surveillance and even mobile surveillance. You don't necessarily have to follow the subject into the place where they go. My very first surveillance ever, I had to follow a subject for an infidelity case. He went straight to a men's club, a gentleman's club. I did not need to go in there. Number one, he had lied to his wife about where he was going, and the video of him going in was enough for her. And number two, I really didn't want to be around the types of things that go on in those clubs. Always be careful when you're doing surveillance. When you're following someone, just because they went around a corner doesn't mean it's safe for you to go around that corner. They may have gone through a door that locks one way, and you find yourself trapped. While you're doing foot surveillance, frequently you'll be following somebody who's talking on a cell phone. This is actually a wonderful thing. They're usually very distracted and have no sense of their surroundings at all. However, as an investigator, here's a tip you might find helpful. When the subject is speaking on the phone with it to the right side of their head, you want to be behind them and to their right, where they're going to have a harder time seeing you. Likewise, if their phone is on the left side of their face, you'll want to be behind them and to the left. This provides them more of an obstructed view, hiding you from the subject. Okay, there you have it. 3 valuable things to know when you're doing surveillance. The bonus tip is right here. Where is it? Right there it is. Resisting Happiness, the book by Matthew Kelly. I just cannot recommend it highly enough. It is a great book about making yourself a better human being for yourself, for your family, for God, for your community, for your country, for the world. I highly recommend it. And if you are interested in the full, complete Investigator's Ultimate Guide to Surveillance, getting that training, getting that skill under your belt so you have it to use and make money, please do check it out over at shadowanyone.com. In the meantime, this is Larry K. with Shadow Anyone. Remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing.